participants in that group will learn things and take those concepts back to their business, think about it, turn that into real live plans or actions and implement them straight away. And they're getting real-time success. So it's a success from learning something to going and doing it back in the business and then reaping the rewards of success almost immediately.
I've done a few other courses. It was a little bit taken aback from this, so it was more of like a group thing. It wasn't personalised, and I figured that this was going to be a little bit more personalised, which it was. And it's kind of delved into our business rather than what I've done before. It looks at heaps of different businesses and kind of groups everyone the same.
Yeah.
Whereas this is like an actual snapshot of our business.
I'd probably say it's a real way, it's a refreshing way, it's relevant to work on your business. It's not some sit back classroom online environment with a cookie cutter plan that they just sell everyone on.
What the experience is it's a very personalised two-way workshop for every attendee. So someone may have a couple of business issues that they're dealing with or grappling with and looking for options or some counsel on how to deal with them. It's a real life workshop where we'll pause the course material and actually apply that to the circumstance at hand and workshop the ideas of concepts or what with the actual attendee. And we've found that to be very, very powerful in terms of developing thoughts or concepts, solutions that haven't been thought of before, getting exposure to joining different mindsets together and different experiences together to create new solutions. And it's very, very, very effective.
It's been fantastic having other business owners in the same room, having like-minded people around, and just hearing, like I would pay just to hang out with those people, just to hear what they have to say.
Well, you get to have a small insight into their business and how they structure.
It's good to hear people going through similar things or maybe they've tackled something previously and are able to have another perspective on something than you.
And then learning what everyone else is doing and you learn about them and their business and get understanding of what they're doing and you just seem to learn a lot at the table.